Hey guys, today we're going to do a spiderweb look and I'm really excited. So yeah, we're just going to jump straight into it. I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Colourpop. No, I'm not. With the P. Louise base. I went to use my brow wiz today and like I couldn't. I went to I opened it up and the little actual pencil part wasn't in there and I was like, okay. So I was tapping it and I was trying to get it out and everything. And then I put the lid back on and it all crushed. So it was like it was in the lid. So my Anastasia brow wiz is gone. So the brow pencil I used today, I used my Anastasia Dip Brow pomade, and then the pencil I used today was the Morphe one. So yeah, and I'm gonna be honest, I did not notice a difference at all. Not in colour, not in formula, so yeah, I feel like the Morphe brow pencil is literally almost the exact same as the Anastasia brow wiz, and it's probably like half the price, so there's a little life hack for you. Today, I just want to do something kind of like silver and black. Something very kind of simple. So I think I'm just going to take the Be Perfect Clientele palette, and I'm just going to take the Just Black shade out of the palette. Oh my god, my desk is so messy. I need to clean it. Tonight is gonna be a long night for me. It's 10:30 and we're just starting filming. I go back to work not tomorrow, but the day after, so I need to pre-film, and yeah, so I got myself a McDonald's iced latte, and I've decided that we're just staying up tonight. We're just gonna get as much done as we can, so yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm taking the Just Black shade and I'm just gonna put it kind of in my outer corner, and also up where my crease would be. I feel like this has a weird undertone. It does not seem black, it seems more like purple. But yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. I know you're like, what the hell? Just give it time, alright. Now that I've got this on, I'm going to blend it. I'm just gonna take it just at the edges and just buff until I can't buff anymore. See, look, it's fading purple. Anyway, I'll blend it and then we can re-intensify where we need. Okay. I feel like that's kind of blended nicely now. I still just don't know why it's purple, but anyway. We're gonna go back and just really re-intensify. It's kind of like a blackberry shade, you know? But anyway. Alright, I'm getting tired from all this blending. But I feel like that should be okay. And I might just take a little bit of black on this brush as well. Just because it's going a little bit patchy, so I don't know if I'm very impressed with this black. I just feel like it really is not black enough. But anyway, I'm going to take the Colourpop Cosmetics Jelly Matte Shadow. This one is in the shade Mojave, or Mohave, I don't know. Anyway, it's this really pretty colour. I'm going to use that. So I'm pretty much going to paint this on like it's a cut crease. Okay. I want to take a shade out of the... Yeah, I feel like that one might look nice. I'm going to take the shade called Classy out of the Be Perfect palette and put that over the top. It's just like a nice kind of like gunmetal silver shade. Just kind of adds to the effect, you know? Alright. I'm going to take the Just Black shade again and just use that to... I know I have black all over my face, I'll fix it soon. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna put some lashes and stuff on and then we will be back. Okay, so I've put my lashes on now. I just use the XO Beauty ones in Panther. And I've just mapped out with some black eyeshadow where the spiderwebs are gonna go. I think what I'm gonna do is take some liner before I do my foundation and trace over this. Just so that I don't lose it when I put my foundation on. Okay, let's do foundation now. So I'm gonna try. Hopefully this doesn't budge. I don't know what foundation to use. I might take, I don't want anything too full coverage. I don't know, I might take my cosmetics. And for primer, okay, I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Glass Skin Primer. I'm so worried that this is, as soon as I rub it, it's just gonna like go everywhere. But like, surely not, right? Like, okay, I feel like that worked. I always like to do my stuff under my foundation, because once you have your foundation on, it's gonna be like, if you muck up, it's gonna be so much harder to fix it, you know? So I really try and do mine first. But anyway, for foundation, I'm going to take the Cosmetics CC Cream in Light. See, it's going to cover it, but it's obviously not going to, I'm still going to be able to see it, so I'm going to be able to map it out a second time, which is what I need. It's 11 at the moment. I'm planning, don't know if I'll do it, but to film 2 more videos after this, so we'll see if I get around to it. It would be a huge help to me if I could, but I guess I'll just see how I go when I finish this one, see how tired I am and stuff. I'm not going to do any concealer like under my eyes, obviously, because I have my spiderweb there, but I will on the rest of my face. I'll take my Jouer Essential High Coverage, so I'll put that pretty much everywhere else apart from my under eyes. Okay. Setting that with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in Butter. Should I set the rest of my face? I might set all of my face with this as well. I really want to make sure that I set over these so that I can draw back over them. Oh, I just love the smell of this Fenty powder, like. Alright, I might just quickly do like bronzer, highlight, and then we can get on to tracing these again. And I want to put some gems on them. Guys, I just spilled so much powder, look at this. I don't know how that happened, but anyway. Alright, let's do some bronzer. let's just stay on theme with Fenty. So I'm going to take the Fenty bronzer in Shady Biz and just use that to bronze. I haven't bronzed lately because I've been doing like, you know, other Halloween looks where they haven't needed bronzer, so it feels weird to bronze again. But nice, you know, very nice. I'm obviously not going to bronze over the spiderwebs. Oh, it doesn't matter, I guess. We're going over them anyway, aren't we? I feel like I don't need too much bronzer, you know, just a little bit. Add a little bit of definition, but it's not like end of the world. Okay, that should do. And then, so for highlighter, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. It's like this, and these are the shades. I might just take this shade. And I don't want too much. Just put it kind of like just there, I guess. Like right up the top of the cheekbone. It's on my nose. So I'm probably just going to fast forward this next bit. I'm just going to trace these out again. You've already seen me do it once, so I'll just quickly speed through it. Then we're going to add some gems and do the fun stuff. Okay, I feel like they got a little bit messy the second time around, but oh well, I did my best. What I'm going to do before I do the little gems is I'm just going to go back into the Be Perfect palette, and I'm going to take the black again and just put that like under my lower lash line, just kind of like smoke it. Just because it's hard to get the eyeliner like up there, so I want it to like kind of look a bit more seamless, you know. I will do some lower lash mascara. I'm just going to take the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal. I have like some silver gems and I think they'd look really cute, like where they all kind of meet, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to speed this part up as well. All I'm gonna do is stick them on with some lash glue, but it's just very time consuming, so I'll just quickly speed it up so you guys can still watch it. So yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, so I finished the dots, well, what are they called? Like crystal, you know what I mean, like these things now. And I just chucked on a lipstick. This is just the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in Moon. There's just one more thing I want to do to finish this look. I'm going to chop up some eyelashes. These are some eyelashes that I knew I was never going to use. And any eyelashes that I get that I know that I'm not going to use. Well, I don't really often get eyelashes I know I'm not going to use because why would I buy them? But on the rare occasion that I do, I save them so that I can chop them up if I ever need to. And today I need to because I'm going to make some fake little spiders. These are really easy to make. All you have to do is grab a pair of eyelashes and then you just chop them into little pieces. So yeah, literally all you do is just grab the eyelash. You don't want them too thick, you want them quite thin, I guess. But yeah, you just chop them into little pieces like this, and then when you stick them on your face it looks like little spider legs. So what we're going to do. So all that I do for this is I grab my eyelash glue, which I've lost. I know it's down here somewhere. I've literally been using it for the last like however long. I can't find it. I don't want to use liquid latex because I don't have to. And eyelash glue is so much easier to get off, but I just literally cannot find mine. I just don't know how I could have lost it, you know? Okay, I think I've just decided that it's gone. So I'm gonna use liquid latex, which I was trying to avoid, but whatever. I don't want to be here all night for it, so liquid latex it is. So I'm literally, normally I would do this with eyelash glue, but anyway, I'll just do it with some liquid latex. I'll just do them on this side. So I'm just gonna put some dots, just like that. Then all you do is you grab your little lashes. And you stick them on. See? And then it kind of gives a spider effect. I just have no idea where the hell I put my lash glue. Like, I literally just had it. Hey, I don't know if you guys remember, like, a couple of, like, quite a few videos ago now where I lost my blue scrunchie. I still have never found it, so literally a mystery. No idea where it went, where it is now. So I feel like, honestly, sometimes things just vanish. Okay, but anyway, this is the finished look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Here's a bit more of like a close up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!